Today I want to talk to you about how you can have a less stressful move. The first thing when planning a move is you'll want to contact a moving company. Depending on the time of the year, moving companies can be booked out way in advance. If you're not going to hire a moving company and you're just going to do it yourself, make sure you secure a moving truck for the day of your move. The next thing you'll want to do is go ahead and go room by room in your home and sort and purge. We might want to donate items that we haven't used and we don't want to move them, or we might just have a yard sale and just sell a lot of those items that we haven't used and it's just not worth moving. The third thing I recommend is go ahead and contact the post office and put in a change of address. A lot of times it can take 4 to 6 weeks for your address to be changed. And if you're moving out of the area, go ahead and request all your medical records. So that way when you get to your new town, your doctor will have all your previous medical records. The fourth thing is you'll want to ask friends and family for some help. Whether that's packing up your home, whether that's loading up the moving truck, but go ahead and start asking family and friends for help on the day of your move. And the last thing I recommend is go ahead and line up a babysitter for any children that you have, so that way they're out of the way of the movers and the family and friends that are helping you. Or you might need to line up a pet sitter, so that way the pet is out of the home and in a nice, quiet, less stressful environment, because pets can get a little stressed out on the day of the move as well. Again, my name is Angie Cody with eXp Realty, and thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video topics you'd like me to talk about in the future, please feel free to reach out. My contact information is below.